How much are you in understanding of concerns that social media platforms are raising on the new IT rules, given that this will not affect the privacy of an everyday user, but their concerns being that the government would stand up with intimidation tactics such as what Twitter is now quoting, that the Delhi police raids on its offices was an intimidation tactic. So that's their concern here.
You see, it's the same as the British came and they used to tell us that they are going to educate us because we can't plan a democratic government. It's the same way they're trying to teach us privacy. We know what privacy is and who is going to guard the privacy of individuals. Of course, the government. Government is the biggest guarantor of privacy. It's coterminous with fundamental right, isn't it? And if there is a problem, then the courts are there to take care if the government does anything wrong. And WhatsApp or any other social media has no locus standi to question the stand of the government. And we are only trying to protect, say for example, a woman gets maligned using an image or somebody tries to play with that. So what do? You want to know that who is the false player, who has started it. Because there will be thousands of people who may have forwarded it, but they may not be the culprit. The culprit will be the person who has started it. So is the case. Say, for example, a person sitting in Canada does something against India just to malign the country, just to create unrest here. So should the government not have the wherewithal to track that individual and at least make people know that this is not a genuine message? So
absolutely. Sudesh, absolutely valid point. The government should have access here to all details. But WhatsApp, we're talking about Twitter, there's also WhatsApp, there's Facebook. WhatsApp, in fact, has chosen to take the government to court here. WhatsApp says that its feature of end-to-end encryption entirely fails as a promise to its users if they start giving out all this information here of who sent what message, where it originated from, how many times forwarded, and to whom.
No, we are only bothered about the origin of the message, and there is a technology that can take care of that. Technology has to give solution. You see, WhatsApp and Signal and Telegram are the three platforms. If you go by security, then Signal has more features of security than WhatsApp. WhatsApp, saves its messages on the server for some time, encrypted messages. But Signal doesn't even save that. So if you talk of that, why you are saving on the server, tell us that. And of course, you have to provide a solution. You can't claim that you are an intermediary, you are providing a platform, and then you can't be held responsible. Because if your platform is misused, you are accountable to the law of the country.